Hello, everyone. Some drivers really push their luck too far. In India, a train caught fire and everyone rushed to put it out. No injuries reported, though. Quick tip, don't grab onto police K9 dogs. Always be patient and watch carefully all around before and after a train passes. When you lose control of a truck and end up stuck on a train track, it's best to run away. On a train in Switzerland, he shows the technology and how the switch system changes tracks. This camel is claiming the territory. This happened in England. Tough luck for this freight train getting caught in a landslide. Those barriers meant to stop the train clearly weren't strong enough, or the train was going way too fast. Either way, you can't really blame the SUV driver's reaction. Does anyone know where this was filmed? Because of the fire, police had to set up a safety perimeter. Some people push their luck way too far, risking their lives just to save a few minutes. Talk about bad luck, crashing on train tracks and being forced to abandon your vehicle. An easy show to watch, right in the middle of the city. This car is parked in the wrong spot and it's about to pay the price. Drivers who run a railroad crossing can face penalties.
We'd run to the train tracks.
Way too many people play superhero and risk their lives.
That's rare.
Oh no. Oh no.
Taking your pet out isn't exactly relaxing. Leave them alone for a moment and it's instant chaos. Tree versus train, who's stronger? When there's heavy snow, don't stand next to a passing train.
Oh my god! Oh my! Oh!
In India, heavy rain can turn into little rivers and flood the train tracks. Perfect timing. It's in Japan. What's the speed? I won't get into a complicated explanation, but it has to do with how the train works. I'm guessing if you've been drinking, you shouldn't be going out. I often see sparks under trains. Apparently it's part of how they work and how they're maintained. If you know more, tell me. This is what a derailment looks like from the inside. Someone left their car and went for a break in the bushes. Wrong place, wrong time. Question for the experts. What train models are these, and what's that coupling maneuver? Not every day you see an airplane fuselage being transported like this. Filmed in India, from what I've heard. No more info on the cause or the damage. Looking left and right before crossing is a rule on every road. A lot of trucks get stuck on the tracks and end up watching their trailers get destroyed. Have you ever seen a road rail truck running on train wheels on the tracks? A big part of the crane was destroyed. Major damage. Watch the Union Pacific rotary snowplow train in full snow clearing operation. Some things can't be transported just anywhere, like these military tanks. Everyone knows car washes, but have you ever seen a wash station for trains? I'm not even going to guess. What is that? Some rails can catch fire in summer, and because it's hard to reach, helicopters are used to put it out. A rare moment. Wild horses get disturbed by a passing train. This is meant to raise awareness about how dangerous railroad crossings are. Always obey the signals. Trains can't stop fast enough. Despite the train's repeated warnings, people cross at the worst moment and risk their lives. Another reckless person about to be seen by the whole world. I don't think it's eco-friendly, but in some countries, old trains are dumped straight into the sea.
County Railroad.
I often see these sparks under trains, and apparently it's part of a normal process. Can someone explain what it is? This crocodile decided the road is its new home.
Где? Ты представляешь сейчас, насколько это? Да, я вам туда полез, козел.
The stop sign isn't there for nothing. When you hear the crossing bells, you stop. Thankfully, no one was hurt.
Представляешь? Где мы проедем?
If you're still here, you made it off the tracks. Next run, more speed, more steel, more bad decisions. Don't blink. The next hit is instant.